Lads, we've got here Dr. Goldberg. He's one of the lead physicians for Optim, and he's going to educate us a little bit on one of the parts of the body that a lot of soccer injuries come on.
Hi guys, thanks for having me today. Fortunately, playing enough soccer, you may at one point in time injure your foot or ankle. Probably the most common injury that I see in my clinic in soccer players is ankle sprains. Typically, with sitting out for a few days and doing some stretching and strengthening and getting your proprioception back, you can get back to the field pretty quickly. Other common injury we see is ankle fractures. Unfortunately, they do happen. It's usually from a rotational injury, but of course, wearing shin guards can help prevent those. So obviously, you guys wear shin guards whenever you're playing or practicing. Occasionally, we see fractures on the foot. You might see some fractures on some of your metatarsal bones as well. I guess the most important thing that I could educate you guys on is, if you're having pain in your foot, pain with every step, you need to stop playing. You tell your coach, tell your parents, and make sure you get checked out by a physician or your trainer.